I've always had a love-hate relationship with huge car meets. I think one of the best parts about them is being able to see such a wide range of cars, and sometimes you get to see some pretty crazy stuff you wouldn't normally get to see. But if there's one thing I do consistently miss at big shows, it's the authentic interactions and humanizing the drivers. In this vlog, we embrace our local car scene and do a little bit of everything in the company of some good people. Hope you enjoy.
What's up, y'all? It is Matt, and today we are on our way to the local meet. I just got up about 10-ish minutes ago. Woke up to a text from my friend that I had invited this meet to earlier in the week. But here I am on the way to the local meet to meet up with my buddy Donis. We're gonna hang out and we're gonna have a good time. But I don't know what car Donis is bringing. We're just gonna meet up there. So hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna go to the local meet, check it out, and hang out and see some friends and local faces. And the meet also started like an hour, a little over an hour ago, and it's only 2 hours long. So we're getting there at the halfway point, but we're gonna make it count. All right, we are pulling into the meet now. Here they are. They're all staring at me.
With a new battery. V3 maybe. It does do
What's
the
good?
job,
What's
but
up,
it's,
This isn't yours, is it?
it is.
Looks almost like it, bro. It's nice. It's like yours just painted almost.
I got rid of it.
It's running out, man.
What was that?
Preston?
Oh yeah? That's yours?
Yeah.
That's
I
sick.
picked it up just to flip it.
No way.
Yeah.
When'd you get that?
A week ago.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Congrats. What do you need to do to get it running?
I'm running it on. It doesn't have an ignition key either. It has ignition, but they're gonna parse like it starts. Not.
They charge it for like $5,000 less because of the fuel pump.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
a stock ECU. Yeah.
No way. I'm gonna go check it out.
Yeah, for sure.
That's sick.
Yeah, it drives so smooth. It was like an old Vietnamese lady.
Really?
She said she has had her family forever.
No.
Yeah. And she was like the dealer tag is sitting in the back seat.
No, that's crazy.
And so I picked it up. It was hay loaded up. All low tires. I didn't bring an air compressor. It was just me picking it up. But I got it finally loaded. Yeah, I got it back to the house. Tried to start it. Realized no fuel pump.
That's sick.
I replaced it. I replaced it in the parking lot.
Mine was on that.
It still had probably a gallon and a half of gas in it, 10-year-old gas. I was like, oh, I should have drained that. Let's try it anyways. And it started.
Oh, that's hype.
Filled it back up. And
That's
filled the
sick.
tires up. That's all I've done to it.
I want to rip off an old Vietnamese lady one day.
Dude, I thought she was asking for it.
She was asking for the rip off?
No, she was asking $700.
700.
I thought she was asking for the car. I paid her full price.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wow. How many miles?
Actually, combine me and Matthew horsepower.
No, bro. That's crazy. Do you know them?
No, I was on Craigslist.
No. That's crazy.
Yeah, I was just on Craigslist. I never go on Craigslist. I go on Marketplace. My buddy doesn't have Facebook. So he's always on Craigslist, and he sent it to me. And I was like, "You want it?" He was like, "Nah, I'm okay."
How you been, man?
Good, brother. Good. I just got my S2000 pulled up my lift. Just trying to.
You have S2000 as well?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you could just roll up straight up and
I'm LS swapping though.
Oh, okay.
So I just got it pulled up on the lift.
Okay.
Passport mount mounted in. I get my motor mounts put on my motor, so I can lock up my motor and transmission.
Okay.
Modify my trans mount.
Where is this Cressida? Oh my gosh. That thing is sick.
Body's pretty straight. Paint's fade. Body's pretty straight.
What color are you gonna do?
I'm not even gonna paint it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get it where it runs real nice. The brakes definitely need some work.
Okay.
I'm gonna get it where it runs real nice, and then I'm gonna sell it.
That's sick. Yeah, that's an easy flip.
Yeah.
my car was
Even now.
the
That's sick.
Really?
Delta 46, the 32.
Yeah. So you got my
Look at that shifter.
Transmission turbos, wastegate.
you got my key right there, my screwdriver.
The two-step
You're turning it off with a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought it was so sticky
Old
when I
school.
first started
Old
it.
school.
I had to like kill the car and the battery was dead, so I keep like jumping it off.
Oh my god. No side views.
Oh yes, there's no mirror over here. That one's gone. The mirror is also gone.
You're just looking backwards, or are you using like the passenger mirrors?
And I was like, okay, just tell me if a cop's behind me trying to pull me over.
That's hilarious. Man, congrats. Hell yeah.
Got the inline six. I think it was $28,000 brand new.
Damn.
Crazy.
That is crazy. Man.
Yeah, she didn't have the key for it. She said she gave it to her brother because he was going to start driving it years ago. And he lost it because her apartment's telling her that she has to get it out or they're going to find her.
Uh-huh.
So that's when I was like, I need the key, you know. I used my spare Honda key in the ignition to jiggle around. It's stuck in there now, but...
Like, I'm a Honda boy, I don't do that.
I was like, it's a pretty similar looking key.
Man, that's awesome. Oh yeah, that was a nice little convo. What up, brother? How's it going?
But what year model is yours? This is what I'm saying. Between y'all two, y'all can get y'all motors, bro. Y'all can get y'all motors. It's like
The honest whip in the end. Does the R still pop like this, like a bunch?
Yes, it does.
What modes does it have? Like, cause we have an N mode.
Oh, you talking about pop? Like,
Yeah.
You talking about like exhaust sound?
Yeah.
No, it don't pop.
Oh really?
Nah.
Okay.
Like whenever I would put the Iridium 9s in it, then it would start popping like that.
Oh, weird. With just spark plugs?
Yes.
That's crazy.
It wouldn't do it like often, but like every once in a while it'd do it.
Okay. So what's like the sportiest mode in the R spec?
It has a sport mode, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just sport and normal?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Yeah, there's like 6 modes in the N. 3, 4, 5. 5 modes in the N.
God, dog.
2 N modes, yeah, and then 3 regular drive modes.
What's the second N mode?
Custom.
Custom.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's the one
custom,
where you can
okay.
change the suspension and steering and stuff. You look clear here. Woo, driving into a storm.
Yeah, that's nice. I like
Yeah.
that. That is nice.
Yeah, feel free to switch it and you can feel this difference in suspension stiffness.
Okay.
So if you go like, yeah.
Okay.
Let's see, let's switch that. There you go.
Okay.
Now it's like real tight.
Tight. I
Yeah.
feel that. That's
Yeah.
nice. Ooh.
Yeah, it's like super track mode.
God, it feels good.
Yeah, it can
I
get
like
really sporty.
Yeah, it feels like the Z steering wheel.
Yeah. The turn radius is kind of buns on this car if I'm being honest.
That's nice.
Yeah, it feels like about the same speed as the R though, right? Probably.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
About the same speed. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
This
That's
is
awesome,
nice.
man.
This is nice. I like this. Heck yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, it
No,
gets
you like
real
yours a
stiff.
little softer, huh?
Yeah, that's my wife's setting too. It's like our daily
Oh,
setting.
okay.
I'm pretty like if we had better wheels or like more forged wheels, I'm pretty sure I'd drive with it more stiff. But I'm pretty sure I might have bent a wheel like going stiff and hitting a pothole.
Oh, you think so? Why you say that?
Because like, I bent a wheel back then,
Oh, okay.
way back when, and then I just got a 5th one because it was cheaper to get a 5th one than repair,
Oh.
and then I ended up repairing it. So that 5th one now is my spare. Do you like it?
Heck yeah, I love it.
That's dope. Just had a conversation with this Crossfire owner. We are very like-minded individuals in that
we like to do stuff to cars that are very unpopular and unliked in the general community. And do things that probably most people wouldn't like to do to them. But we were spending a good amount of time just chatting it up, complimenting each other's builds. I love the Crossfire. I've always been a Crossfire fan. He really liked the Veloster N and says is perfect to his liking, which I thought was pretty wholesome. It's late, but having a good time, chill time.
My bag off of my bike. Now I've got something in the car and in the work truck and in the home.
Is this real?
Bro, this right here is just a wrap.
Oh.
It's a real wrap.
It still looks really good. Yeah, I really like the texture.
There it is.
Yeah.
Woo, yeah.
Wow, that looks nice in there.
Where's my favorite Honda? Yes.
Yeah, that's nice.
That looks sick.
Yeah. That is nice.
Yeah, we're all throughout East Texas. We meet up and do lake days. We hold meets, car shows.
See ya, thank you.
Gotta get to that spot.
Yeah, we do car meets, shows. Most of the shows we do are like benefit shows. We raise money.
Oh man, those guys drove all the way out from like right next to Louisiana, which is 2 hours away-ish. That's crazy to me. That is some dedication, but there's some cool people. Yeah, it was a good time chatting it up. We were like the last 4 people at the meet. We're just chopping it up with random people and about to head home. But it was a beautiful night today. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys a lot. Like, a lot. I've been at this for a while, and to have support from a lot of people in the community feels very cool, because I've always just wanted to send a positive, wholesome message and show people that the car scene is, although it's doomed, it's kind of how you look at things and how you have those interactions. I think is very special, and being able to show the positive side of things in that manner has been very fun. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.